Good afternoon to all of you. Today we are going to discuss about the second unit of the ISE. So, as per your third year Pune University syllabus, second unit, the title is Management Information System. I hope everybody should have the syllabus with you. So, according to this second unit, the MIS, that is the Management Information System, we have to know about the word management. And as per your title of your subject, it is a ISE. So first two letters is the information system, and the unit is saying about the MIS, that is managing the information system. So when we say managing the information system, most of you may be the diploma people. You heard about your last year projects, or some people are doing projects like management system, railway management system, and any information system where the data is large, big, because in the first unit we have discussed too much about that big data is not a problem. The creation of the big data is not a problem. Data is get created by your WhatsApp, by your Facebook, by any social media. Now huge amount of data is get created. Now what is the problem? Our problem is to how to manage this data when we require a very fast or important information from the big data, then to retrieve right information with quick response. Remember these two keywords. Number one, quick response, and number two, right information. So there should be the quick response with the right information. So when such things with these two key points will work, then we can say the management of the particular system, management of the particular information system is working properly. Now, what is the MIS actually in basic? So let's we discuss about it, basic of the MIS system. So I'm going to present few slides. Some theoretical topics are there. The subject is totally theoretical. In the first unit, we already discussed about the information system definition concept, and according to your syllabus, we already discussed about the strategy of the information system. We already discussed about the two case studies. It is a railway management, where quick response of the right data is very important. We already discussed about the e-commerce organization, like Amazon, and today we are going to discuss about the how this information system, maybe it is our web portal www, is get managed, and what is the importance of management in the information system. So I am going to represent the slides with just serious slides. Try to do that. Okay. So these are the slides. From the very first slide, that is the management of, that is the title of your second unit. ये आपके second unit का title ही है. So, what is the introduction? Just I already told you, it provides information for the managerial activities in an organization. The main purpose of this research is MIS provides accurate and timely information. The two keywords already I told you: quick response and right information. That is the base of the MIS, management information system, necessary to facilitate the decision making and enable the organization planning, control, and operational functions to be carried out effectively. This is a very important key point, because when you have a quick response and right information, then the decision making process will get fast. Then the organization as well as a customer side indicator, you can take a right decision, quick decisions. So when we search a number of products on the Amazon or on Flipkart, you have seen that there are so many filters they provide. and when you get the right information from the vendor, when you get the right product that you want, and you can take a quick decision that this is the right product I want to buy. As well as you can control on you, as well as from another side, the vendor or the company can control on your decisions. They are showing past reviewed items. Last time you viewed this. This is a product you have in your wish list. So all things they are showing again and again. This is possible because of to the Amazon or Flipkart because of the proper management of the huge data, big data, that is the IS, information system. Now let's go to the second para. MIS is basically concerned with processing data into information and is then communicated to the various departments in an organization for appropriate decision making. So this is the same thing again. That is a appropriate and quick decision making is possible when you have a MIS. Let's go to the next slide. What is the scope of study? The term MIS arose to describe such applications providing managers with information about sales, inventories, and other data that will help in managing the enterprise. Today, the term is used broadly in a number of contexts and includes decisions about system, resource, people management. In a very simple way, इस slide केवल इतना ही कह रहा है, when you have a proper MIS system, then it can be used with a number of purpose like sales, inventions, and data handling where huge and big data is there. So this is the structure that is the next, that is the example you can say university information system. So like your college management system is also there. So college management system is again one point of MIS, management of information. So what are the different fields comes under a particular one single core? If I say university information system, then there is a student information, then there is a library information, then there is a finance system, then there is a faculty system. So all these four fields combined contributes to a single information system which needs to be managed properly. कि आपका ही डेटा है कॉलेज के पास, तो कौन सा स्टूडेंट कौन से ईयर में कब पास आउट हुआ, जैसा रिजल्ट था उसका, सो ऑल शुड कैन गेट विद इन फ्यू मिनट्स, दैट इज अ क्विक रिस्पांस. ओके, जैसे कि फेसबुक पे हम लोग बहुत सारा डेटा क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, व्हाट्सएप पे कर रहे हैं, तो व्हाट्सएप पे कौन सा डेटा शेयर हुआ था, इज इट लीगल इलीगल, ट्विटर पे किसने कब ट्वीट किया था, तो आज से 10 साल बाद का भी डेटा आपको चाहिए, तो दैट कैन बी पॉसिबल टू रिट्राइव इट. ओके, because of MIS when you manage it properly. So what is MIS? In very short, it is nothing but the right information to the right person at the right place at the right time in the right form at the right cost. So जैसे कि मैंने ट्विटर की बात की अभी अभी, in case of Twitter, lot of people are giving their opinions on the Twitter. But we need to take care about the ethical, social ethics. Okay, कि अगर कोई बहुत बड़ा पर्सनालिटी है तो what he is tweeting, वो वहाँ पे ट्वीट क्या कर रहा है. ओके, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जैसे फेसबुक पे क्या शेयर हो रहा है, व्हाट्सएप पे आप कौन सा इंफॉर्मेशन कब शेयर किया था, all can be retrieved. अगर if anybody want after some years, then he or she can retrieve that this is the particular thing. Okay. So these are the things. Now characteristics of management information system. So it provides reports with fixed and standard formats, hard copy and soft copy reports, use internal data stored in computer system. End users can develop custom reports and it requires formal requests from users. So these are the characteristics of management information system. The MIS definition, the MIS वही फिर से हम लोग देख रहे हैं. The MIS is defined as an integrated system of man and machine for providing information to support the operations and management and the decision making function in the organization. तो ये ऐसा सिस्टम है जो मैन एंड मशीन के बीच में काम कर रहा है. ओके, the MIS is defined as a system based on the database of the organization evolved for the purpose of providing information to the people in the organization. So providing the right information, right cost with right cost, right time, right place. Remember the keywords. So information chart. So information management process, financial indications, research and development, production statistics, customer database, customer satisfaction, and competitive activity. So these are the various more keywords we need to talk when we are dealing with the MIS. So various types of MIS. So types we will discuss later. So today we have discussed only about the concept of MIS and the total definition and actual keywords that need to be used when we are discussing the MIS. So thank you for today. Next time we will discuss about the type of MIS. Thanks to all.